Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a bow clutch or wristlet. Let's start with a knot for the bow. You cut out your pieces, make sure that you are interfacing behind on the wrong side of all your fabric pieces. This part will be the middle part of the bow, the knot for the bow. So you take this to your ironing board and you will fold in the edges at 1/4 inch on both sides and press. This will be your wristlet strap, and I have a video on how to make a wristlet strap, but this one is a simple one that will be sewn into your wristlet instead of being adjustable. So the same rules apply in regard to the folding. So first you will fold your piece, your strap piece, in half like this and press and create a crease in the middle. Then you will open it out and then you will fold in the edge matching the crease that you've just created and press, and you do the same for the other end. Press, then you fold it in half again, creating 4 layers, and you press. You will take this to your sewing machine and you will sew very close to the edge at 1/8 seam allowance on both sides. These are the 2 pieces to make the bow. We will turn these right sides together and sew them level. We will press these and top stitch, and then we will put it through the knot to create the bow. Now position your bow onto your exterior fabric piece about 1 inch down from the top edge, and you take this to your sewing machine and you will sew across the ends to hold the bow in place. Place your zipper facing down on top of your exterior piece, matching the raw edges. You will sew the zipper in place. Place your lining fabric right sides facing with the exterior fabric. Line it up at the edge with the zipper, and you will sew over following the previous line that you made when you sew the zipper the first time. So you sew this here, boom. Take your strap piece, fold it in half, creating a loop, and place 1 inch down from your zipper and stitch in place. Place your right side pieces together like so and pin. All around. Lining pieces together and pin as well, leaving a 3-inch opening. So you have a 3-inch opening, and you will sew all around here. Turn your bag right sides out. Use a 1/8 seam allowance to stitch the opening in the lining closed. Place the lining fabric back into your bag. Zip it closed. Take your bag to your ironing board and press the entire bag. Your bow clutch is now complete. This clutch is perfect for the days when you don't feel like lugging around a large handbag. You can carry all of your essentials. I hope that this video has inspired you to make your own clutch purse. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Check out my other bag making videos in the upper right of your screen. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.